This roasted pumpkin soup is the perfect addition to your holiday table, and it's healthy too. Start by cleaning out 1/2 of a large pumpkin or 1 whole small pumpkin and cutting it into manageable roasting sizes. Transfer the pumpkin to a lined baking sheet and brush the insides with olive oil. Then season with salt, pepper, fresh rosemary, and fresh sage. These will roast in the oven for about 35 minutes. Roasting the pumpkin really adds another level of flavor, so don't skip this step. Start heating olive oil in a large pot over medium heat, then add diced onion, garlic, and salt. Stir to combine and then cook down until the onions are translucent. While the onions cook, you can carefully remove the flesh from your pumpkins with a spoon and then add it to the pot. Next, add in your spices: cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, a little cayenne for spice, and pepper. Stir this all together, then pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth and bring it up to a simmer. Cover and let this cook for about 15 minutes to let the flavors all come together. Turn off the heat and stir in coconut milk and a little maple syrup. Now it's time to blend. You can use an immersion blender to blend the soup directly in the pot, but for the creamiest texture, transfer the soup to a stand blender in small batches. Make sure to never fill the blender past the halfway mark. Once it's smooth and creamy, you can serve and top with a little olive oil and toasted pepitas or pumpkin seeds. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.